Hi everyone, welcome to the final episode of Project W114. My name is Jeffrey and this is Farhan. So before we start the grand review, we show you the footage of the grand review, I think we should take a trip down memory lane.
Let's talk about how we even ended up with the car, right?
Yeah, so I think we were doing the Straits Time video, right?
And yeah, I told Arthur and Dominic because they were quite out there with their classic cars, and I feel they were very knowledgeable. So I went and approached them and asked them that, hey, I want to get a W111, and again, he said that I was crazy.
Yeah, you siao lah, you.
Yeah, because the parts were impossible to find for the 111.
So Arthur suggested that he has one of the classic Mercs, which is a W114 coupe.
A coupe, yeah.
And he told you why not you just take that car and go and restore, right?
So yeah, then after that we decided to, figure out and plan what we're gonna do. And we decided that this whole restoration series or process should be recorded down and documented, right?
Because we see a lot of classic cars on the road.
But we never seen anyone document in Singapore.
And we feel it's educational, so why not let's just try and do it.
So we decided to document down the whole process of restoring, and I feel that is the part that made it a lot harder.
Yeah, because number one, we are not actors.
Oi, siapa?
Secondly is every time we go and see the car, we need to bring all our equipments and we need to set up and be ready. And sometimes we even miss the shot because the workshop already has done the work because they can't wait for us, right? Let's talk about the problems we face while trying to get the car running or restoring the car.
So I think actually the condition of the engine was actually good lah.
But the fear when your mechanic says that your car does not have spark plug and then he says that your engine might be seized, I was actually very worried because let's say if the whole engine seized, I literally have to...
It's very hard to save the engine. You have to take out the entire thing, you have to disconnect from the gearbox.
I need to order a whole new engine.
It's a very tedious process.
Yeah, but thankfully with a bit of work, the engine was healthy and is still very healthy right now. I think the next struggle we faced was two things: the center console and the tires, correct?
Yeah, I think these were the two things because the tire was, I think we saw the tires, it was made in 1985. The Michelin tires were made in 1985 and all four tires are different one.
Yeah, it's
Michelin, Goodyear, Bridgestone, I forget one more other brand already.
So the next problem was the center console. There was no way, right, you can reuse the old center console again to be fitted into the car. It was just too flimsy. So the upholstery shop suggested that we re-fiberglass it.
So actually probably before that, we actually asked Botak for some help to
re-fiberglass the original.
Because it was so flimsy, we needed a support to make it stand so that it can fit.
But after the fiberglass was laid upon the center console, we realised that it still can't fit lah. They suggested that they will rebuild a one-of-one replica.
Yeah, but it turned out quite nice.
And I'm very impressed how accurate and perfect it is. I think the biggest problem with the car is that it's always out of fuel.
You have to step.
And secondly, the battery always dies because we've not changed a new battery. But yeah, pushing the car around has been a hassle. I feel that we've pushed the car a lot and it's been really tiring.
Really thankful to all the people who helped us, including the film
everyone.
Really
the film crew, the workshops that's been on board.
Wasn't light. Cars were built in the 70s are heavy, the material you should know. So, what was your most favourite part? Most memorable moment?
I would say the most memorable moment was when the engine cranked up the first time. Quite a huge achievement,
Hey bro, can start.
And the fact that I was given the opportunity to work on the engine a bit, change the spark plug and all, and it was quite rewarding. I feel the moment the engine cranked up, it really felt like something huge.
When you hear the engine start for the first time, especially that straight six, it's damn nice sound.
It sounds like a 1970 race car.
I think my most memorable moment, this one people animals
So yeah, because Jeff was being very annoying that day, he was touching too many things that he wasn't supposed to touch.
Bro, Duhan workshop full of surprises one.
So we decided to legit tie him up and just make him into a human light stand. I feel that's also one of the highlights of the build. I think the whole experience is nice that you get to rebuild the whole car with your friends. and you experience this type of thing, and I feel that not everyone is given such an opportunity lah.
Yeah, that's why we
to do with your friend, to do with your film crew, to work with workshops.
Yeah, that's why we want to give back to the community. We want to show you what it's like, give you guys the experience, and if you guys are interested, maybe
feel free to just hit us up, and we will be more than happy to guide you through the whole process of rebuilding
if
your
you
car.
got a car you want to review, you can ask me also. So without further ado, here's what went down. Today we are at F1 Auto, and Farhan, what are we doing here today?
We are here to launch the W114 that we've been restoring for the last 6 months, bro. So F1 Auto has kindly lent us the space for us to review our car, and why not? Let's go and take a look at it.
Let's go!
So if you guys didn't know, before when I was buying the car, we had this small little bet between me and Arthur that I have to finish the car before 22 February 2022. And Arthur, what do you think?
I would say this is like 90% done up, but still some nitty-gritty here and there to touch up lah.
Yeah, I feel that it's impossible to be perfect.
Yeah, I mean live with it lah. I mean just like COVID lah.
Just live with it, yeah. But since day one till now, I think the transition has been a lot lah.
Yeah, it's very different from the day one when I parked or you collected the car. Yeah, very different.
Yeah, and I also feel that, remember I told you about the vision I had, black and red. Yeah. I think it's really reflected well on the car.
Yes. I think black and red is always very nice combination.
Yeah, and also
and then you change the steering wheel also, right?
Thanks to you. So I would like to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to Teck and Arthur for being a partner and a mentor in this whole project. Arthur actually still have a few more classic cars. If you guys want, just hit him up. There's actually a huge collection of classic cars, and feel free to just DM him. So thank you so much AGI and Efficient Towing for being a partner on this project. Without you guys, I honestly won't be able to move the car here and there, and you guys are also insuring the car.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity. We are very happy to be part of this project.
Look for AGI if you need insurance, and look for Efficient Towing if you need towing.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. You guys are the last one to touch the vehicles, you all did the detailing, so what do you think of the car now?
Quite sweet, looks fabulous and fantastic.
You got anything to tell the viewers?
I want to thank Zheng TV for engaging us. We are very honoured and pleased with the project. And that's all. For any detailing needs, do contact us.
Hey, same, no problem. Thank you so much.
So Stephanie, thank you so much for coming for the review of the W114. What do you think about the car?
Got all the upholstery done. I think it's very nice.
What was the toughest challenge like Auto Image faced doing the upholstery? Like what was the toughest thing?
The center console.
Yeah, I feel like the center console gave us quite a number of issues, but I feel that you guys did a tremendous job, and it looks almost like new, right?
Yeah, definitely. I'm very, very proud of my team as well.
We hope to work together soon again, yeah?
Definitely. Thank you.
So we have Cleo here from F1 Auto.
Hello, hi.
So what do you think about the car?
The car is gorgeous actually. Didn't expect it to bring back so many like old school kind of vibes and memories. Yeah, I think in the car industry, new cars aside, but inspiration from these old cars, for car lovers, it brings a lot of emotions, I would say.
Do you think there's a huge market for the classic car scene in Singapore?
Surprisingly, I think it is moving towards that direction now. I know people that are doing it as well. The next generation is starting to look at this and they see something in it, I would say. Yeah.
So I would like to give a huge thank you and a huge shout out to F1 Auto for lending us to use their showroom, and it's a gorgeous showroom, so do feel free to check it out, and they have insane cars, right?
Yes, we do try to bring in different kind of cars, luxury, but also mainly sports cars, a lot for the enthusiasts, I would say.
Thank you so much for having us, and we will hope to work together again soon.
Thank you guys for coming by.
Action!
Alright, so we have Johnny from Divine Splash, a very familiar face on the channel. Yep. So Johnny, today we are at the review of the W114. What do you think about the car?
Very good, the place very grand. The car, nice. Of course, I spring one, not nice then.
If not nice, something wrong, right?
Okay, so far it's a good thing, good combination and good collaboration from you. Good, thank you.
Was it tough? Like when I handed you the car, right? What was your thought? You sure think this boy no other work, go and buy this old car?
I can say it's a rich man choice lah. So
no lah bro. I feel like the car was a great opportunity for Zheng TV to grow also lah. Then when we collaborated, I think it was a good partnership for both companies, right?
Yeah, can. very good.
Thank you so much, Johnny, for being part of the project, and we hope to work with you soon on further projects.
Ken, thank you so much.
Think of a lame joke, bro.
What's the heaviest me? 1 ton me.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and you guys enjoyed the car and all the footages that you guys just seen.
Yeah, so we would like to thank you for following us through this entire journey and supporting us along the way. It was great to see some people, coming down and,
Reaching out to us.
Yeah, reaching out to us, So, if you would like to see this car more, do stay tuned to Teck TV, our YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. We will try to bring this car out.
This car will be used well.
Yeah,
it's not going to be a garage queen, it's going to be out at most of the car events.
Yeah.
And I would want to share this car as much as I can with the viewers.
Yeah.
So if you ever see the car on the road, feel free to,
Yeah.
come and take a look at it, and I'll be fine with it.
Yeah, if you like to collab with us, feel free to
Yeah,
just let us
just
know.
hit us up.
So just letting you guys know, this is not the last restoration series we will be doing.
If you guys recall, we did leak a silhouette of the next car that we will be restoring. Yes, I did go ahead and buy another classic car, but you guys have to stay tuned to see the whole process.
Yeah, so here's a little snippet.
Let's go. We somehow found our ship, and you guys can see the view behind me. Check it out. Bro.
Yeah, so this is what's coming up,
In the next few months, so stay tuned for that, guys. It's going to be a lot wilder, a lot crazier than the 114 restoration, because I feel that, we have gotten wiser, smarter, and more fun.
And they say I got more well-behaved.
I doubt so lah. So we hope that you enjoy our content, and we just would appreciate if you guys will leave a like, a comment, a follow, a subscribe, everything lah, all that kind of
All the social media
stuff.
things, really help us a lot.
Yeah lah, as in we just want to share our passion. We just want to connect with the car community in Singapore. And stay tuned for the next restoration series. It's coming real soon, so we hope to catch you guys there. So see you guys.
Stay safe, stay happy, take care.
That's my line, bro.